Yo, we back. What's going on? What's popping? What's crack-a-lacking? Hey, how you doing? How you doing? How you mama now? I know you ain't come here for all that, but I'm gonna ask you anyway. Josh, Kickin It crew, what's going on? How we feeling today, man? How we feeling today? How we feeling? How we feeling about shoes now? Like, what's the market now? Like, what we doing? What we doing? What we doing? We really just wear what we like? We wear what's comfortable now. This is the perfect example. They have made a comeback to wearing what's comfortable. They have made a 100% comeback, and I'm telling you, they going crazy. They're going so crazy that companies, other small time people are copying them. That's how crazy they going. This shoe, Asics, fuck it. Asics has never been the shoe that everybody ran to go get. Never been the shoe. Now, they've had some dope collabs that you wanted to run to get. But as of right now, Asics, New Balances, I'm missing something. I'm missing one. Asics, New Balances, and Saucony is cornering the market with running shoes. What? Comfort, all that, corner the market. Corner the market. And you ain't gonna find none like them. These right here though, these right here, we got the Ascis GT-2160. GT-2160 white and Grove. Y'all see them? Yes, we got them in my size. That's 11.5. If you're wearing Asics, please always go true to size. Go true to size. Asics run true to size. Always remember that. I've always been an Asics fan. Just never really had a chance to get my hands on some stuff I really wanted. But these right here, I had to get them. I'm gonna show y'all why. Let's look into them. Let's see what's in the box. I ain't gonna talk y'all ear off. Let's see what's in the box. I know people gonna be in the comments. He talked for 4 minutes before he showed the shoes. It's a skip ahead button, my G. It's a skip ahead button. But look here. Bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. You see what I'm talking about? When I'm talking about what I'm talking about, go crazy. It's been a theme in my collection lately that I've been buying a lot of green. And I don't care. They different shades. The Asics GT-2160. Here we go. Bam, bam, bam. Yes. These is one of them. Great comfort shoe. I'm telling y'all now, people don't get it. They don't understand it, but comfort is big now. Mesh shoes is big now. That's what they wearing. At least that's what I'm wearing. I don't know what you're wearing, but I'm wearing this. I'm wearing these. A regular great. It's just a shoe that ain't doing too much. These run, if I'm not mistaken, around 130, 140. Great shoe, great attributes to the shoe. You got definitely some reflective. You got your silver, you got your gold hitting on there, with your green showing there. Yeah, you got the gel sole here, as you know. Hard plastic, but great shoe. If you're looking to get these, I got mine from DTLR. I don't know if they had just dropped or what was going on with these, but walked in, walked out. Great shoe. A shoe that I couldn't let. It was one of them shoes that it's a sleeper shoe, right? Some shoes, I said this before, you have to see on people's feet to be like, man, I see what they were going for. And some shoes you just gotta take that jump out on the ledge for. This one of these, you ain't gotta jump out too far, but this is a jump out shoe. This might be an everyday shoe that you don't even realize you turned into an everyday shoe. Just because of the comfort. So, if you can, grab them. Once again, the GT-2160. Grab it for the low price. I think they 130, between 130 and 150. I'm pretty sure they're not over that, but between 130 150. Grab it. Grab you some Asics, man. Asics is a great shoe. It's a great shoe to have in your collection. It's a great shoe to just be at the door ready to go with you. And it's a great shoe you can style with all this leisure wear and everybody claiming they working out. It's a great shoe to have in your collection. Do me a favor, it's your boy Josh, Kicking It. Do me a favor, make sure you comment, share, and hit that subscribe button. Hey, make sure you like it and do what you can to show your support, man. Support, this is free. All you gotta do is hit that subscribe button. Yeah, but we here. Make sure y'all cop these. If y'all just wear what you like. How about that? Just wear what you like. I like these. I'm gonna wear them. You should do the same and wear what you like. Yo, y'all be easy. Y'all be smooth and how your mama know.